Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we're gonna be taking an early look at the Air Jordan Thunder 4. What's up y'all? How has everybody been? I just got back from LA and I was at a couple sneaker stores and I went ahead and picked up the Air Jordan Thunder 4s a little bit early for you guys to do this review. Before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Holy Ground for this pair right here. I happened to be in the area, dropped by, chopped it up with the homie Andrew, and left with these Thunder 4s. If you're wondering how much I paid $300 for these a little bit early. It's a little bit overstock X price right now, but that's a price that I was comfortable paying just to get this video out for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into this review. Starting off with the box, we have a splatter box. Nice bright yellow hit right there on the Jumpman with that flight on the top. I actually prefer these boxes over the other Jordan boxes that we've had in the past. This one just seems super sturdy and super nice. Now I went ahead and went with a size 10, which is my true size. So if you've never had an Air Jordan 4 before, I recommend going true to size. The retail price on this pair is going to be $210, and this pair will be releasing on May 13th, 2023. Bam! And here we go, the Air Jordan 4 Thunder. This shoe features a premium black nubuck that wraps around the majority of the upper. Of course, with the Air Jordan 4, we have our iconic wings as well as the waffle lace holders. I love how this yellow peeks through that black netting. It looks amazing and it contrasts very well with this shoe. I love that thunder yellow on the midsole. It just complements all the other hits extremely well. As I was studying up on this shoe right here, I was watching people's videos and a lot of people mentioned that the first release was in 2006, and for some reason I never knew about that pair. I just knew about the 2012 pair that came out, but I never knew that the 2006s dropped. I don't know if I was sleeping under a rock, but every single pair that I saw before this one, I automatically assumed it was from 2012. But the 2006 pair released for $500, and it came with a tracksuit, I believe, and some other things. It was a Jumpman 23 release, so that's new to me. I did not know about that. Now, originally, when I bought this pair, I had the pure intention of just buying it to make this video and selling it right after, just to give you guys that content. But now, as I'm looking at this pair, I think I might have to keep these as a personal. I'm not a huge Air Jordan 4 guy. I really prefer the 1s and the 3s, but for some reason this shoe right here looks really good and I like it a little bit more than the Lightning 4s. The Lightning 4s feature a mainly yellow upper, and although those are super nice, I think that yellow is a little bit too much and it's harder to keep clean, but a shoe like this will look clean regardless. The nubuck that they use is super soft. This material right here is gonna be very easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about, you know, keeping these looking super pristine, but these are probably one of those everyday kind of beater shoes in my opinion. Right now the shoe is going for about $275 on StockX, but I really feel like there's gonna be a lot of pairs out there, being that they already did a couple shock drops as well as early access. And I know a lot of sneaker shops that had this pair already on sale before they even released, at least a month early. So that means that there's probably gonna be a lot of pairs of these, which is good for the consumer. So for all you Air Jordan 4 nerds out there, this one might be for you. I can't potentially see these hitting outlets. I think that the Jordan 4 model is so hyped right now. A lot of people love that like chunky, bulky shoe look, so that's why the Air Jordan 4s have been selling out pretty well. So with this one, I could only imagine they're gonna sell out. Even if you don't get these for retail, they're probably not gonna hit for too much, so if you guys enjoy this shoe, don't really stress out too much. The inside tongue feels super nice and it features that thunder yellow with the Air Jordan tag. I also appreciate how they use a black insole with the white Jordan Jumpman. Any shoe that has a lighter colored insole, I immediately get triggered because those things get super nasty. But again, something like this, a sneaker that's majority black with yellow hits, this shoe is going to be really easy to rock during the summer as well as the fall and winter, so you can pretty much rock these at any time and any moment. As far as the comfort goes, for the Air Jordan 4, I give it maybe like a 6.5 or 7 out of 10. They're just all right on comfort for me. It's almost like if you're going to be out for the whole day, your feet will probably be hurting in these, but if you're going to be out for a few hours, you'll be good to go. I hear mixed reviews though. I hear people saying that they're super comfortable. I also hear people saying that they hurt their feet, but based on my experience, the more you wear an Air Jordan 4, the more it breaks in and the more comfortable it gets. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan Thunder 4 in the comment section down below. Is this a cop or drop? A lot of the shoes that I've been releasing are shoes that I don't necessarily need, but I'm just buying them for the videos right here. And in some cases, I end up keeping them, like this pair right here. So it's not a need, but they do look pretty good on feet, and I can see myself beating these up, which is why I'm keeping them. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm selling a bunch of shoes, as you guys can see, which will be on my story sale. So I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Peace.